High ROI, no downtime. Traditional shop furniture is prone to termites, fungus, fire accidents, or even floods, resulting in huge losses. Medisplay units are made with premium grade metal components. They are fungus proof, bacteria proof, fire proof, corrosion proof, and even flood proof. This gives them high durability, that is, longer functional performance with virtually zero maintenance. Finished modular units are delivered by Uni-Metal at your site, installed by our expert team within just a day or two, with no significant break in your day-to-day business operations. Opting for Medisplay solutions is not just a choice, but rather a wise investment which keeps giving long-term results.